best teenage rooms can never stop growing. Just like the teenage himself who is transforming from a kid to grown up, his space should also reflect his changing needs and demands. And that is what the below pictures exude, lots of space and whole lot of ideas. We bring to you a collection of inspirational teenage room ideas that are funky, trendy and very stylish. Be it teenage boys who love blues and blacks or the girls who go for pinks and whites, rooms occupied by the young ones exude a certain level of vibrancy which is visible in the pictures shown below. If you are looking to redesign your own room, here is 12 new ideas from young interior designers. Take your pick and transform your abode into something that reflects your personality.